Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you the 10 AI tools I use in day-to-day programming to increase my productivity. These tools include free and paid tools. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. The first tool I use is codeium. Because it is one of the best GitHub Copilot alternatives and it works better than GitHub Copilot for me. The auto-completions I am getting while coding are insane. And there is also a free tier, where you can get unlimited auto-completion and also unlimited chat with codeium's base model. I personally pay for the pro tier, but the free tier also works pretty well. The next tool I use is Augment Code. It is also a coding assistant like codeium, but it can scan your entire codebase and understand your code better. It is free to use in the community edition, but there is a major drawback to it. When you use Augment, it uses your code to train their model. This means if you use it, it will get all your codebase info and all files you have in your codebase, and it would be used to further train the model. It is bad news for the people who wants to use it for free but works on closed source projects. The next tool on the list is Klein. Klein is an open source and an amazing tool for developers. You can use Klein to debug your code. And you can also build full-stack websites and apps using Klein even if you don't know how to code. Klein can cost a bit if you use models from OpenAI and Anthropic, but there is a way around it. You can use free API providers like OpenRouter and local models to use Klein for 100% free. If you're all about keeping your data private, Continue Dev is perfect. It lets you use local models for auto-completion and chat, so your code stays on your machine. Paired with Klein, it's a killer combo, especially if you're looking for an alternative to something like Cursor. Moving on to the next tool, which is Allama. I know Allama isn't a direct tool for coding, but you can use it to download open source models and run them locally. I use it with Continue Dev and Klein when I work on a closed source project. The next tool I like is Aider. I don't have much to say about it. In my perspective, it is the best AI pair programmer you can get in your terminal, with your local models. Now time for some paid tools I use. The first paid tool featured in my list is GitHub Copilot. I use it with Claude 3.7 Sonnet for the ultimate coding agent. In my perspective, it is the best Copilot I have ever used. The next paid tool I suggest is Tab9. I use Tab9 for auto-completion, though I have been using it less frequently now. Codeium Pro is kind of like GitHub Copilot, but the main thing I like it for is its refactoring capabilities and optimizing my code. Sorcery is also a good code refactoring tool to use if you are paying for it, though I suggest spending your money on codeium instead of sorcery. So, that wraps up our video of the 10 AI tools I use for day-to-day programming. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe.